Welcome. If you want to record sound in your Motorola Moto G9 Plus, for the first you have to go for the Play Store and get a recorder application. So let's type record or recorder, and you have to get one of this recorder. I think that I'm going to pick up this one. So click install. Right now we can open, and to start the record you have to tap right here, accept all the permissions, and as you can see, smartphone starts recording sounds. So if you want to finish, you have to click right here, and here we can check the quality of our record. So as you can hear, that's how it sounds. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.